Hi everyone, welcome back. Spooky season is right around the corner and I got you covered for all your fun spooky nail art this season. And what you're seeing right here, this is the 2025 Maniology box of Gloom, and this is everything. And if you're wondering what a box of Gloom is, this is going to be a really fun Halloween countdown. So it's 13 days of Halloween. You could either start it in the beginning of October or start it the 13 days before Halloween and then have a really fun countdown leading up to Halloween, however you want to utilize this box. Now, before we get too deep into this box, we are going to unbox and open everything that is in this box. So if you want to be completely surprised, now is your time to click away because we are going to be diving into all these items so you can see what is in this highly anticipated limited edition box from Maniology. All right, so we're wasting no time. So we have an adorable sticker in here. If you know anything about Maniology or ordered from Maniology, they always include a fun sticker. And this right here, this is our book of gloom, I'm calling it. And this has everything in here about the box, and then it also has some other goodies in here. But check out all the attention to detail from the packaging that you saw in the beginning, and then we opened it and we just have all this beautiful tissue paper. And check it out. This is all the goodies for that Halloween countdown. So there are 13 goodies in here. And again, we're going to go through all of them. So if you want to be surprised and this is already, catching your attention and you want that thrill of that surprise factor, you want to swipe away right now. All right, so here's the book, and each day there is a countdown. So you have ghost number 1 right here, and then it's going to give you a little bit of a little kind of Halloween gloomy kind of poem here to kind of get you ready for clues and hints and just get you in that aesthetic of that item that you're going to be opening. It's going to be a really fun box, and just everything. This one's wrapped right here, and I just love that tissue paper wrapping paper. It is everything. And then right here, this is the first box, and we have this adorable little ghost with a number 1 on it. Now we're going to dive into all these items and open them so you can get a really good feel on what this box has to offer. I do have a discount code if you are looking to grab this. It is extremely limited edition. I just wanted to throw that out there. And once it sells out, it will not be restocked. So just keep that in mind if you're eyeing this up, because last year sold out super quick. And the theme and the aesthetic around this box is absolutely amazing. You have best of both worlds because we're going to be wandering into a haunted garden where the shadows bloom and secrets fester beneath the thorn vine. So that is the journey that we're going to be going on today. And the theme of this, so you're going to have a little bit of a spooky kind of enchanted forest moment mixed in with all your fun Halloween designs. Now the first item, we're setting the stage. We have that perfect Maniology silicone stamper. This is the larger one. I love their stamper so much, but it's also crafted towards this box and the design is absolutely everything. I do really like their limited edition scraper cards and jelly stamper, and it is the perfect one for Halloween season. Now we're just going to go through all the numbers and open them up, and we're just going to sit back and enjoy this moment, because if you order this and you're just that excited to see what's in the box so you can start crafting ideas and getting all your nail inspo ready. So I want to give you this moment just to enjoy this whole unboxing process and just really take in everything that this box has to offer. Now with that being said, let's see what the Maniology 2025 box of gloom has in store for us this spooky season. And how amazing are these products for the year 2025? I absolutely love this box so much. I feel like the theme is a little bit of best of both worlds. You have some really beautiful floral aspects that still have that spooky touch to them. And then you also have those traditional elements mixed in, which makes it for the perfect box. And hang tight, we are not leaving the Garden of Gloom anytime soon. We're going to be diving into all these fun elements of this box here on my channel over the next couple weeks. Each week, we're going to dive into something new and create a really fun nail look based on this box here. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. And then I'm also going to create several reels as well, showcasing different ways to utilize the stamping plates so you can really get some really fun ideas for this spooky season. And my goal for this box is by the time Halloween comes around, you're going to be able to see all the different stamping images come to life, so you have all that spooky season inspo that you need to get your gears going to create some really fun, easy nail art with Maniology. All right, so I hope you enjoyed today's video, and hang tight. We'll be back in that Garden of Gloom soon.